Welcome to Baluchi Zone. In today's lesson, we'll talk about this tiny tag-along word, don, which can translate to container, storage, holding place, or containable space. For example, salt in Baluchi is wad. However, salt in a jar or any container would translate to wad don. Next, we have water, which means up. Water in a bottle or any other container would translate to up don. Don also plays a similar role in the Persian language. It's one of those tiny but powerful words with great holding capacity. Don is compatible with many words. Here's a list of examples. Fire, os. Fireplace, os don. Sugar, shakar. Sugar container, shakardon. Flour, gol. Or you can say pol. Flower vase or flower pot would be goldon or poldon. Don is also used for those carrying or storing body parts. For instance, ovary, because of its capacity to produce and store eggs, would translate to hake don, storer of eggs. That's what it means. Womb, choke don. Bladder, mesdon. Testes, tohumdon. Feel free to use don with any words compatible with the notion of being contained, stored, or held within a place or a space. Lastly, don is also another word meaning rice in Baluchi. Furthermore, if you say don with a silent n, as in don, it would translate as the preposition till or until. But that's a subject for another video. Until next time, Shumei Shepurwich Wash.